What's going on, everyone? I'm Ivan and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to calculate your BMR. So if this sounds interesting to you, let's get straight to the point. Short answer is the Harris-Benedict formula. But let's break this down so we can understand this a little bit better, and we're going to try to do it in 5 minutes or less. Before we get started, if you want to know what a basal metabolic rate, BMR, and why is it important, I made a video about it that explains it in 4 minutes. I suggest that you watch that video before you watch this one, so that way you get a better understanding about what we're going to cover on this video. And that video will be in the description below. Okay, what formulas can we use? Well, you have the Harris-Benedict formula back when dinosaurs were alive. Just kidding. However, that formula has been revised by institutions, universities, and just other organizations that I just don't have any clue about. So which one should you use? Well, any of them. Just to be on the safe side, it's always good to go with the formula that's mostly commonly used. I say you could use any of the formulas because at the end of the day, all you're trying to do is you're trying to get closer to that overall calorie count of how many calories you expend throughout the day. It leads you to develop either your diet program, whether you're losing or gaining weight. None of these formulas are going to be accurate. Shocking. But one formula may favor you than another just because some of these formulas take into account your age, body fat percentage, exercise activity, what you do in a day, etc. Taking these factors in consideration can help you achieve a more accurate numbers when it comes to how many calories you burn throughout the day. Really though, there's no need to lose sleep over this. All you really need to do is use one of the formulas and then tweak it, which is something we'll cover later on in this video. So the most commonly used formula can be found when you smash that like button. Okay, so the most commonly used formula is the mifflin-st equation. Just a reminder, this formula is a revised version of the Harris-Benedict formula. There is a formula for men and there's a formula for women. For the sake of time, we're going to use one formula and it's going to be for the women. Girls need love too. This is the formula. 4.536 times weight in pounds plus 15.875 times height in inches minus 5 times age minus 161. And so for this equation, we're gonna go ahead and use a woman that weighs 170 pounds. She's 66 inches tall and she's 40 years old. First, you wanna do all the equations inside the parentheses. And who said you were not gonna do math after high school? Once you figure out the multiplications inside the parentheses, you wanna go ahead and add from left to right. So in total, this woman burns this many calories throughout the day. Now you can throw all the equations in there that take in consideration lifestyle, body fat percentage, exercise intensity levels, things like that, which can increase the calories she actually burns throughout the day. But really, who's doing that nowadays? We're not pro athletes. We just want an estimate on how many calories are burning throughout the day so we can start our loss weight program or our weight gain program or a gain weight program. Yeah, something like that. In that case, I suggest that you use an online calculator. Damn, bro, you could have said that to begin with. Yeah. There are so many online sources that you could use from, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you Google those and try them out for yourself. Regardless if you decide to use the Flintstone way or use the online calculator, you have to remember it's just an estimate and it's not going to be 100% accurate. You're gonna have to tweak it every week until you actually figure out how many calories your body needs in order to maintain weight, lose weight, or gain weight. What you do is that you eat the amount of calories that you came up with, and every week, if you're gaining weight, losing weight, you want to increase those calories or decrease those calories by 200 to 300 calories. All right, that was it. Straight to the point on how to calculate your BMR. If you would like to learn more, check out my homepage where you can see similar videos like this one, and subscribe if you like what you see. You guys already know, if you like this video, share, give it a thumbs up, and comment below. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. I'll see you guys next time. Once you figure out the multiplications, okay, the most commonly used formula is the mifflin-st